Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Asha Krishna Gowda. Today I'm going to explain about the grade 10 topic chemical equation and reaction. In that subtopic types of chemical reaction, today I'm going to explain. So chemical reaction means two or more elements combining and forming the new compounds. A reactant is combining forming the new compound, that is called chemical reaction. So in types of chemical reaction, first one is chemical combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. Total 4 types are there. First I am writing here chemical combination reaction. What do you mean by chemical combination reaction? Two elements combining forming a new compound. A is an element, B is an element combining forming a AB as a compound. Example: carbon is combining with the oxygen forming the carbon dioxide. Carbon combining with oxygen forming carbon dioxide. Carbon is combining with oxygen forming carbon dioxide. Next example: hydrogen combining with oxygen forming water. So two molecules of hydrogen combining with one molecule of oxygen forming two molecules of water. So combination means two elements combining forming the new compound, that is called a combination reaction. Next example: sodium 2Na, sodium combining with the chlorine forming the sodium chloride. Sodium chlorine sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. So all these three are the example of chemical combination reaction. Still many are there. Magnesium is combining with oxygen forming magnesium oxide. So many example you can write. The concept is two elements is combining forming the new compound. Remember. So next we'll move on to the next type, that is decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means heavier compound splitting into the lighter elements or lighter compounds, that is called decomposition. AB is a compound splitting into A plus B. So these two are the simple elements or simple compounds. So that is called chemical combination. Example: calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate splitting into the calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide. So here chemical decomposition, three types it is there: thermal decomposition, electro decomposition and photo decomposition. So first one it is thermal decomposition reaction, means in the presence of heat. If the reaction takes place in the presence of heat, that is thermal decomposition. Now it is water, H2O means 2H2O, water. In the presence of electricity, it will form hydrogen plus oxygen. In the presence of electricity, it will form hydrogen plus oxygen. Water splitting into hydrogen plus oxygen. Electric current, in the presence of electric current, oxygen, electric current. This is electro decomposition. Next here photo decomposition. Third one it is photo decomposition. Example: silver chloride, AgCl. Silver chloride in the presence of sunlight. When we keep silver chloride in the presence of sunlight, so it will get separate silver plus chlorine, Ag plus Cl minus. So down I'll write silver chloride silver chlorine. So these three are the example of chemical decomposition reaction. I hope you understood this topic, all three types of chemical decomposition reactions. Thermal, electro and photo decomposition reactions. Next, we'll move on to the third type of chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Here, displacement reaction means highly reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal. I am writing reactivity series: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, hydrogen, silver, mercury, gold, platinum. So this is reactivity series. Highly reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal. Clear? Now I'll write the example. Iron means ferrum reacting with the copper sulfate, forming ferrous sulfate plus copper. See here, iron first, then copper, it is there in reactivity series. Iron displaces the copper place and forming the ferrous sulfate plus copper. Ferrum, copper sulfate, ferrous sulfate plus copper. Next example, zinc reacting with the copper sulfate, forming zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper sulfate, zinc sulfate plus copper. Third example, lead plus copper chloride, forming lead chloride plus copper. Lead, copper chloride, lead chloride. Another name for lead is plumbus. You can write plumbus also. I have written only lead here. Lead chloride plus copper. So all these you can see here, lead is present first, later copper is present. So lead is more reactive than the copper, so displacement will take place, right? So all these three are the example of displacement reaction. Move on to the double displacement reaction. So here in double displacement reaction, exchange of ions will takes place. Due to exchange of ions and new compounds it will form. So that is called double displacement reaction. Example, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride forming barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So here sodium is positive, sulfate is negative, barium is positive, chlorine is negative. One positive is combining with the one negative and forming the new compound, that is barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Sodium sulfate, I will write the names also. Barium chloride, barium sulfate, barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So here in double displacement reaction, two types it is there. One is neutralization reaction, another one is precipitate reaction. First one, neutralization reaction. HCl. Neutralization reaction means when acid is reacting with the base forming salt and water, that is called neutralization reaction. HCl means hydrochloric acid reacting with the sodium hydroxide forming sodium chloride plus water. Hydrogen is positive, chlorine is negative, sodium is positive, hydroxide is negative. One positive is combining with negative forming the sodium chloride plus water. That is neutralization reaction. First, I'll write the name of this also. Hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride plus water. Okay, this is all about neutralization reaction. Next one it is precipitate reaction. Precipitate reaction. So here silver nitrate, see, main thing you have to remember, exchange of ions it will takes place. That is called displacement reaction. Chemical reaction where two compounds react and positive ions and the negative ions of the two reactants which places forming the new compounds or product, that is called displacement, double displacement reaction. Silver nitrate is reacting with the sodium chloride forming silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Names also I am writing down. Okay, silver nitrate AgNO3 reacting with the sodium chloride forming silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. So all these three are the example for double displacement reaction. So these are the four types of chemical reaction. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe. If you want other topics explanation, mention in the comment box so that I'll explain the topic and I'll put it in my channel. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.